Chances are this is more vegetables than you eat in a day. This may be more fruits and vegetables than you eat in a week, or maybe even ever. In fact, I would love for you to chime in down in the comments below and let me know. Looking at all these fruits and vegetables I have here, does this look like something that you could eat in a day, a week, or never? Because I know for a lot of us, we're not eating as many fruits and vegetables as we should. So today I want to tell you about juicing. Juicing is a wonderful way to take in a lot of nutrients in a pretty small glass of juice. And I hope to illustrate that for you today by showing you how much juice all these fruits and vegetables will turn into. So I want to thank Mod for sponsoring this video. They make this incredible cold press juicer, which I will be using today. Cold press juice not only retains more nutrients, but it also yields more juice than regular juicers. So I want to tell you a little bit about the benefits of cold press juice, show you some of my favorite juicing recipes and little tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So thank you so much for watching, and let's juice. I want to start by addressing a question that I get a lot, which is why juice in the first place? Isn't the fiber really good for you? I mean, what's the whole point of juicing? When you juice vegetables, you are creating a really nutrient-dense beverage that allows you to literally consume more nutrients than you'd probably be able to eat in an entire meal or maybe an entire day. And you should understand that juicing is not instead, it's in addition to. Another great thing about juice is that you're getting to customize your beverage. So you can add in the things you like, you can add in a little bit more apples or pineapples or mango to make it just sweet enough that it's still something enjoyable. You can also, in the case of wheatgrass, what's become really popular is taking wheatgrass shots. So before we get into juicing, I just want to take a moment to explain how many vegetables we really should be eating every day. Because this is one of those topics that we've heard a lot of different recommendations, like 3 to 5 servings a day, 5 to 10 servings a day. That's actually depending on your caloric intake. So for somebody consuming a 2,000 calorie diet, which is kind of used as the average, that equates to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. But that's just the bare minimum, which means that some days you should have a minimum of 9, other days you should be eating 12 or 13 or 15. So there was a study done where they compared 2 groups of people. Some were eating 3 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, and others were eating 8. And they found that those people that were eating 8 servings of fruits and vegetables a day had 22% less heart disease than the group that was eating 3. Beyond that, each additional serving of fruits and vegetables per day was equated with 4% reduction in heart disease prevalence. That to me is enough to make me want to eat more vegetables. And so now I want to show you how juicing helps you kind of maximize your nutrient density so that you can take in a lot of servings of vegetables in just a glass or 2 of juice. So this Mod cold press juicer only uses about 65 RPMs to extract the juice from the fruits and vegetables, where most of your conventional juicers will use between 1,000 and 30,000 RPMs to extract that juice. So when we expose them to high heats, we're gonna actually lose some of that nutrient content. So here is our little juice extracting piece here, but then it also comes, first it comes with this awesome gigantic toothbrush to help you clean your juicer. That's awesome. But then it also comes with this additional little piece that you can use if you want to use your Mod cold press juicer to make sorbet, or you can also make nut milks and nut butters and things like that. And then we have the top. Now this is another awesome feature of this juicer. that it has a really, really wide kind of entry point for you to put your fruits and vegetables in. And not only does that mean less chopping, less preparing, and all of that, they're just gonna make the whole process easier. So then this top piece actually has these little red guidelines that help you know how to insert it. And then once again, I don't know if y'all heard it click, but you'll actually hear it all click together once the pieces are in. And then here is our little pusher that we'll use to actually help us push our fruits and vegetables through. And then we've got a little canister here to catch the pulp. And we've got our other canister that'll come over here to catch the juice. So just so you can kind of see what'll happen before we put anything in. But of course it'll be way more fun once we put something in it. So let's do that. I'm gonna call that a done delicious juice. So I'm gonna go with golden beets and carrots. What's so great about wheatgrass? This is the pre-wheat. And the thing about wheatgrass that makes it different from other vegetables is that it's harvested at the time that it contains the absolute most nutrients. So when you have the little seeds sprouting and basically preparing to become a full-on plant, they contain so many different nutrients that when we eat them, they provide a huge amount of nutritional benefits to us. And it was actually an agricultural chemist in the 1920s that started noticing that when he was feeding these cereal grasses to livestock, they would be healthier, they would have more eggs in the case of chickens, they would produce more milk in the case of cows, and he started doing all of this different research on these young grasses like this. Wheatgrass does require a special juicer. You can't juice it in a regular, run-of-the-mill juicer. So I'm really excited to see how the wheatgrass does here. I'm gonna grab some scissors. All right, so I had a lot of fun using this mod cold press, and we will be sure to include the recipes of the things that I've made here down in the description for you if you want to try them out yourselves. And remember, you can totally switch things out, change things up to make it fit your taste. The whole point is that you're finding a way to take in more vegetables. So whatever you need to do to make your juice really delightful so that you can get all of your veggie servings in, or at least come a little bit closer than most of us are at right now. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will remember to leave me your comment letting me know how many vegetables you eat in a week. Are you considering juicing? Do you have juice recipe requests that you would like me to make, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.
We at Wellness Plus specialize in all things health and wellness, ranging from yoga and fitness to massage and ASMR. Whether you are looking to target specific areas of tension or want to enhance your general self-care routine, we provide the tools you need to feel better, look better, and live better. We have courses for every level, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. Our courses provide a wide range in difficulty to accommodate your evolving flow.
Welcome back to Yoga with Jess. We are going to break down some really essential postures.
We are going to rock out with some of the most essential ab exercises that you need to have the abs that you've always dreamed of.
I've blended techniques to help you connect with students, and you can be a rock star teacher.
Wellness Plus is available on Amazon, which you can stream from your home on your phone, tablet, or TV. Join Wellness Plus today and get your first 7 days free.